Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Stevenson Lindor back with another one. I hope you guys are all doing well. As always, make sure you like, comment, but most importantly, you share and subscribe to this channel. All right, share with your friends, your loved ones, anybody who's interested in trading. All right. So today I got a quick short video. I'm going to be going over honestly what I went over the last video, which is utilizing the daily, weekly, monthly time frames, specifically the wicks. How you can get very great entries, but also, right, looking for a specific price action to happen in the market when price hits those zones. All right, so we're gonna get to it as always, guys. Disclaimer in the description box below: past performance doesn't guarantee future profits, so please make sure you know what you're doing before you get into trading. All right, it can be very, very costly if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, guys. And real quick before we get into it, okay, so my account got hacked on Telegram, so I'm about to show you right now. So I don't have access to my account. So if anybody's hitting you up, right, especially me with you know, that's my original picture right there. Boom. All right. So this scammer took my account and might be hitting people up for money. Don't send no money. Don't send nothing. Okay. I'm actually going to start a new Telegram. Um, Probably be posted on the next video. So the Wall Street family one, as of right now, no bueno. I can't access it. I can't post it. So that's why I haven't been posting the last couple of days. And the Forex challenge, which has been going great. Anybody who's interested in joining the Forex challenge, please hit me up. A lot of these guys have been getting massive, massive breakthroughs. It's really good. It's been amazing. Email me, let me know you want to be a part of it. It's a brand new month. And if you want to learn and be a part of an active community that's learning, get on sessions with me and my team, learn how to properly trade. All right, guys, this is your chance. It's your opportunity. Get that right education. As you guys can see, we got people just posting, dropping charts, just growing. Really, really good. Personally, if in my trading journey, when I started, I wish I would have had something like this, a community where people actually showing you how to properly trade, and then you have that support. How many guys out there trading by yourself and you don't have the support? You don't have the support. There's no monthly fee required. All right. You don't have to join me in IM. Nothing. Just hit me up, email me, tell me you want to be a part of the Forex challenge, and you just want to, grow your skill set, become better, get that deeper insight that you need to take your game to the next level. And then, like I said, you get to share your charts with other like-minded individuals. So very, very good. So that's the thing there. I'm also going to be creating a new Telegram for that. But mostly, I'm probably going to have to do it. This guy right here, this asshole, wants me to pay him $50 to get my account back, but I just don't trust it. So freaking scammer. That's exactly what he is. If he hits you up asking, especially if he sends you the stupid high freaking sticker, curse him out, block him. It ain't me. All right. Remember, never send money to people if they can't get on FaceTime with you, if they can't get on a phone call with you, if you can't hear their voice. All right. Especially now with this whole AI thing, now you can replicate people's voice. Pretty much FaceTime. You can't get on a FaceTime with someone, it's a dub. Don't send them no goddamn money. And do I look like the type to be asking for $50? All right. So that's that. Okay. Yeah, let's get to it. So I want to show you guys how to really, really tap in. All right. I'm gonna use the setups that we looked at that were dropped. All right. You know, I always like to show you guys the setups that we always take advantage of. So the last trades we looked at was Bitcoin, right? That was Bitcoin that was dropped in here. And we also had Great Britain CAD. So we'll look at those two, use those two as an example. So you guys know I'm not bullshitting, I'm not fluffing. And we also had USD CAD. We can look at that as well. All right. So let's start with Bitcoin. All right, so we got Bitcoin dropping nicely. Bitcoin is dropping nicely. You weren't in that. You need to find a way to get into it. I got this going back down to like 24. All right. So first things first, always go to the daily, weekly. If you watched the last video, why the importance of going off the daily and weekly. So once again, real quick recap. If I'm looking to sell, all right, I want to take the last bearish candlestick, right? Whether the last bearish candlestick off of a supply or demand zone, whatever, right? So if I'm buying, right, like the saying goes, sell high, buy low. And when I'm doing that at the top of the wick, because those wicks, when I go down on a smaller time frame, guess what they are? Those are your supply and demand zones. So this would be a supply zone up here, and down here, this would be your demand zone, right? So the wicks off the daily, the weekly, right, off these candles are your supply and demand zones. So for bearish candlesticks, if they got wicks at the top, like it does over here, right? See this bearish wick? Boom. Notice when I go down to a smaller time frame, that's my supply zone. All right. And then at the bottom over here, these bullish wicks, right? So I want to buy low, sell high, always at the bottom. There you go. What do I have? I have a potential demand zone. All right. Now, real simple, real easy. Now, what do I do when price actually enters that zone? This is where everybody struggles. Now, over the last few videos I've been going over, I'll tell you pretty much what you want to do is wait for price to get into that zone and wait for the sequence, right? You want to wait for what? Basically a break of structure, a retest, and then enter your trade, which is perfectly fine. You can absolutely do that, right? But now, to make your life really, really simple, what you're going to look for is a specific candle, right? We're going to call this the breaker candle. All right, the breaker candle. Now, what's the breaker candle? Essentially, the breaker candle is your engulfing candlestick, right? So breaker candle, that's your engulfing candle. Your engulfing candle. So notice right before price dropped, price was in what type of a trend? All right, if I go down to the 1 hour, we had this. This was basically in an uptrend. Price was going higher, right? Higher high. Now, to head back on that 4 hours, so pretty much what you want to see is when price is going up or down, right? Once it gets near or enters that zone, what you're looking for is a breaker candle, an engulfing candle, okay? Not a bearish, okay? I'm looking for a bullish. Why? Because again, price was going where? Up. I'm looking for a bullish. And once price breaks below that bullish candle, you have a break. You zoom out of here, all right? Once price breaks below this candle, that is officially your break right there. This is your change of character. Because if I go now on a smaller time frame, let's say a 15-minute, right, or even a 1 hour, you'll notice that's actually where change of character happened. See? Because if I was following the rules, right, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. This was the last higher low before this higher high. So this is the area that I need to break before I look for my retest and continue selling, right? Got my break, price comes back into that zone. So this entire leg right here, that entire candle, notice how price never broke below it. Once price comes back into that zone, all right, now I'm just waiting for bearish activity. All right, you can wait for a bearish engulfing candlestick. You can, multiple bearish candlesticks. You can just jump in, whatever, right? But that's the main thing. That was my candle. That's my size. Boom. I enter once the price comes back in here. Stop loss above. or you can use the smaller time frame, of course, to narrow in on your entry. And all in all, I'm looking for my move down. And vice versa, if price is on a downtrend, right? Just like when price was coming down here, right before it made its move up, this was a downtrend. So that means you want to look for a bearish engulfing candlestick. So I'm looking for a bearish engulfing candlestick. So I have a couple, right? 1, 2. Guys, make sure you understand what an engulfing candle is. The amount of questions I've been getting asked about engulfing candle is crazy. Okay, guys? Like engulfing candle. Make sure you know what an engulfing candle is. See? Engulfing candlestick. All right. This is why it's important to understand the basics. You see that? Engulfing. That means one body of a candle completely devours, engulfs the previous, the opposite. It has to be the opposite. Okay? There has to be the opposite. It can't be two candles that are the same size. Can't be two candles that are the same color. Opposite. One candle completely devours, engulfs the opposite. See? Opposite. Engulfing candles, right? Boom. So once I get that, notice, right? Price breaks out. You had a big wick back down in here, but anywhere inside here is where you want to buy. And then voila. All right. Once again, let me show you engulfing candles so everybody knows we're all on the same page. Like this right here, this is a really big engulfing candle right here. That would be a bearish engulfing. See how this bearish candle completely devours the body of it. See how it's like 2, 3 times bigger than this bullish, this bearish over this bullish. This is an engulfing candle right here. See that? Bullish. See how the body 2, 3 times bigger than the bearish? That's an engulfing, bullish engulfing, because the bullish is bigger than the bearish. All right. Same thing over here. You got back to back. You got a bearish. See how the body is bigger than the bullish? So that'd be a bearish engulfing. And then you have another bullish. Okay. So make sure you understand and you know how to identify bearish and bullish engulfing candles. Right. So now, check this out. I know price is at the support here. I'm looking for a pullback, and I'm waiting for price to come back into this zone right here before selling again. Right? This zone right here before selling again, based on that time frame. All right? GCAD, or I should say UCAD. You want to keep this simple and easy. UCAD was another trade that was dropped in the Telegram. All right. So again, daily, what's the overall trend? Obviously, the overall trend was down. Boom. So I'm in a downtrend. Perfect. Right? I'm in a downtrend. Perfect. I got these wicks. Look at the big wicks. That's why it's important to look at the higher time frame. Look at these wicks. So if I'm looking to sell, I know I want to sell at the top, at the high. All right? And same thing. Notice, price is going up. I'm looking for a what? Bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle. Now, if you don't see it on one time frame, as always, drop down to a smaller time frame. Drop down to a smaller time frame. Voila. Right? As this was going up, the resistance. See that? Bullish engulfing. Boom. Boom. All right? So that means I'm waiting for price to close below here. I'm waiting for price to close below here. There's my break. There's my retest. Price comes in. I wait for bearish activity, right? Bearish engulfing candlestick. Any signs of reversal. That means this is my entry. And then after that, Voila, right? That was the main candle I had to wait before we got this true reversal, this bullish engulfing candle. All right. I know some of you guys are probably saying this right here. Yes, that body. So that would have counted as well. See, once price closed, pulled back, right? Never went above there. You had a small sell, nothing crazy. Went up and then broke this bullish engulfing. That was your real break. Retest and then sell off. GCAD. All right, guys, this is all you need. Study, 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 study. This is all you need. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. All you need. Or the higher time frame. Again, weekly, month, daily. Start with one of those. Figure out where is overall price. Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Are we at a supply zone, demand zone? Right? So right over here, supply. Right? Price just nipped it. Now, how do I get into the trade? Well, again, price coming up. What am I looking for? Bullish engulfing. So highlight them, right? I have one right here. I have one right here. And again, you could always drop down, all right? Always drop down because it happens on every time frame. There. So notice I got this one. That was based on the 4 hour of this one. Based on this 1 hour, what I got. The closer the better. Always the closer the better. I'm looking for bullish. All right, I'm looking for bullish. Perfect. So what do I see? Again, that means I need price as long as it breaks, which it does. Break below here, pull back, right? Price did not close above this high, and there's your move to the downside. That breaker candle. I was also able to take advantage of this on EuroCAD. Just didn't drop it in the Telegram, but it was there as well. All right. Same thing. Weekly. Look at that. Look left. That means the wicks of that weekly bearish candle. That means this is my supply zone. Let price come into the zone. Let it come. All right, perfect. It's in the zone. So now what am I looking for? Again, bullish engulfing candle. All right. And notice I actually got it on what time frame? Daily. So this bullish candle. And as you can see, price broke and then came back. Right? And for those wondering, well, Steve, can I do it again once price comes back and retests? Absolutely. So as you can see here, see how price is retesting? I'll basically be looking for the same thing. So what do I have right here? Bullish engulfing candle. See that bearish, the body, boom. And all I would do is zoom down to another smaller time frame to catch the move, right? Go down to the 15-minute and notice. All right, that was the candle. So we all on the same page. 4 hour. That was the candle. So I'm looking for this break and then a pullback. See how that wick pulled back? All right. So that was the break. Remember, this right here was the 4 hour engulfing candle. So that was the break. There's your pullback. So the moment it pulls back, you can pretty much start entering or wait for bearish activity. Stop loss above. And there's your move to the downside. All right, caught this trade too. So now I'm looking for price, come down to this demand zone. So same thing, we're keeping it simple. All right, we're not going to overcomplicate it. We got this demand zone down here, right? You can go back on your daily, weekly, just to double check. As you can see, buy. If I'm going to buy, I always want to buy from the low, the bottom of the wick. See that? The bottom of the wick. That's my demand zone. And just like when this was coming down, right? I'm looking for a bearish engulfing candle because I'm in a downtrend. I have it right here. So once price breaks, pull back. See that? See? So now when I go look for that pullback, that retest on a smaller time frame, there you have it. Pull back, entry there, right? Stop loss probably right under there, outside, and then there's your move to the upside. Real simple, real easy. See? Did this on USD Swiss franc to start the week off, right? Let me erase all that. Price came down, right? Out of demand zone. And look, that bearish engulfing candle, boom. And then look at that. Price came up, came down, right? Probably dance one more time, and then we're looking for that move up. But if you would have gotten anywhere here, a quick, 50 pips. And you can do this on any setup, any pair, anything you want, right? You guys notice that gold, big gold buy last week, right? You had divergence. So even in this divergence, price is going on an uptrend. I want to find bearish engulfing candles. I want to highlight them. Right? Obviously, I have one right here. Then just wait. I have one right here. Perfect. And as you can see, look, the moment price broke above, bearish engulfing, came back in, you buy anywhere inside here. And then, voila. There's your move to the upside. Stop loss outside. Obviously, because this is based on the 4-hour, you can do this on any time frame. And see that? Price was going up. Price has hit a distance. You can actually see divergence is happening. Look at the divergence. So we know a reversal is coming. So I actually like this. Look at this. 1 hour, boom. Getting a nice correction. Like this very much. Say right here, probably right there. Well, all right, guys. So I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to jump on here. Guys, practice identifying that breaker candle. That's the main candle you want to watch out for. All right. If you can spot that candle, that specific candle, it's going to absolutely, improve your trading game. Right. So, it's something I teach my students in my private Discord. And if you want to be part of the private Discord and not part of the Telegram so you can get access to more stuff, hit me up for that. Just shoot me an email and say you want that instead. My guy's having fun over here. Boom. So seek 3 reasons for a valid. All right. See right here, the change of character, the real change of character. It was after this bearish engulfing on this downtrend. This bearish engulfing gets broken. Break, then come back down, right? But if you think about the entire candle, that bearish candle, that's the zone. Let it come back, and then there's your buy. All right, there's your buy. So on a downtrend, the breaker candle is going to be your bearish engulfing candle. On an uptrend, your breaker candle is going to be that bullish engulfing candle. So once price breaks that candle, like it did right here, that's your real change of character. Wait for the retest, and then look for your buy or sell. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully this video has been helpful. As always, I appreciate you guys for always tuning in. Always be a student, study more than you trade. As always, make sure you like, share, subscribe to this channel. Share this with anybody who needs help with trading. If you want to be a part of the Forex Challenge, shoot me an email. Let me know. Make sure you stay away from the scammers. If myself on Telegram hit you up asking for money, it's not me. I will drop a new Telegram link to allow you guys all to join. But definitely hit me up. Let's get it. Let's go. I appreciate you all. Have a lovely night. See you all next time.